Hello everyone, I am Shikha Raheja, working as Associate Professor at JCDM College of Pharmacy. Today, the aim of the practical is to prepare the physiological salt solution. Now, first of all, what is physiological salt solution and what is the need to prepare it? It is the solution which is having the ionic composition similar to that of blood plasma, and it provides the nutritional supply to the tissues. And whenever we have to perform the bioassay, we have to prepare the fresh physiological salt solution. Now, what is bioassay? It is the estimation of the potency and efficacy of the drug using living tissues. Whenever we have to perform a bioassay, we dissect the animal and we take out the tissues, for example rat ileum, and then we immediately place that tissue in the freshly prepared physiological salt solution so that it may get the nutritional supply and remain alive for 5 to 6 hours. And there are different types of physiological salt solution, as you can see on the board: frog ringer solution, thyroid, crab, and D-jalon solution. And their composition is also given, and the concentration of different salts is also given. The different salts which are added to the PSS include sodium chloride, potassium chloride, calcium chloride, sodium dihydrogen phosphate, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, magnesium sulfate, magnesium chloride, glucose, and sodium bicarbonate. The different and there is specific purpose of each of them. Like sodium chloride is used to maintain osmolarity and isotonicity. Potassium chloride is used to maintain the ionic balance. Calcium chloride to maintain the contractility of the preparation, and sodium bicarbonate, it provides the alkaline pH. Similarly, glucose is used to provide the energy, and sodium and potassium dihydrogen phosphate are used as buffers, and magnesium chloride or the magnesium sulfate, it is used to stabilize the preparation. So there is a specific purpose of each of these salts. And we have to prepare the PSS according to the type of tissue. For example, we have to prepare the frog ringer solution when we are using the frog heart or the rectus abdominis muscle. And if we have to perform a bioassay on guinea pig ileum, then we should prepare thyroid solution. Now for the preparation of the PSS, we have to just weigh these salts accurately and dissolve them in the distilled water one by one. Now if we have to prepare the frog ringer solution, then concentration is given in grams per liter. Then we have to weigh sodium chloride 6.5 gram, potassium chloride 0.14 gram, calcium chloride 0.12 gram, sodium dihydrogen phosphate 0.05 gram, glucose 1.5 gram, and sodium bicarbonate 0.4 gram. These quantities are for the 1 liter, and if we have to prepare 2 liters or 500 ml, then we can adjust the concentration accordingly. So this is the procedure for making the physiological salt solution, and thanks for watching the video.